Even before the row over the army chief's date of birth has been settled, the succession battle has taken a very murky turn. Several allegations have now surfaced against the frontrunner, Lieutenant General Bikram Singh. One of them claims dates back to Bikram Singh when he was posted in the UN peacekeeping mission in Congo, where the officers under his charge were allegedly involved in a sexual scandal. While the allegations have yet to be proved, the impact of such complaints cannot be ignored. The focal point remains the army chief. Sources tell Times Now General Singh will not quietly compromise.
An army chief's fight for his honor, a murky succession battle and a stubborn government, almost making it a siege at the army headquarters.
General VK Singh is not going to back down. As far as he is concerned, it's about honor, it's about respect. It's not about an additional 10 months in office. So this is really a problem that is waiting to happen. As far as Lieutenant General Bikram Singh is concerned, while these two cases have come up now, this is something that the Defence Ministry was aware of. And there has been an intelligence overview on General Bikram Singh and two other Lieutenant Generals in contention for chief. And all three have been cleared.
But what's surprising is the several allegations that have surfaced against the army chief in waiting, Bikram Singh. The most severe allegation that a fake encounter way back in 2001 when he was a brigadier. Another complaint that recently emerged is Lieutenant General Bikram Singh's alleged inability to control excesses of Indian Army, who were a part of UN peacekeeping mission to Congo.
Sir, today there are reports which say that Lieutenant General Bikram Singh's name has come in a fake encounter case. So, your comments on this, sir?
देखिए, ये रिपोर्ट आपके पास है, हमारे पास जब आएगी तो उसके बाद उस पे क्या करना है वो तब आपको बता सकता हूँ.
But sir, will it affect his chances to?
I've got no clue on this.
With the Ministry of Defence and the army chief sticking to their stance, a big showdown between the executive and the military could very well be in store. Will the army chief make his position clear tomorrow at the Army Day news conference? That is the big question. Vichinjoy Chaudhary, New Delhi, Murli Tharan for Times Now.